Hey guys, what's going on? Ben here, and we have a carbon fiber case for the Z Flip5 made by a company called Memumi. Memumi? Whatever. Memumi. I don't know. But it's a pretty cool case. I've had it on my device for the past week, and I just wanted to unbox it real quick and show you guys what it looks like. So it's got these two little tabs you're going to tear off. I can never ever put on a case without cleaning my phone first. It's just something that I don't know where I got it from, but I just can't do it. Okay, that's good enough, I think. Stick this on the back like this. And put, oh, you gotta pull this thing off. It goes on like so. Snaps right into place, just like that. Oh, that's cool. It goes all the way to the edge on this one. Some of these cases don't make it all the way to the edge, and they leave a little bit of a gap here. You know what I mean? But this seems pretty cool. Nice and sturdy case. Well, not sturdy, but it gives it a good grip, you know? Yeah, it's definitely not a case you want to drop test at all. I don't think it would hold up very well, but it's cool if you want something on there to protect it from scratches, I guess. And maybe, yep, just scratches. I think that's all it's going to protect it from. But not on the cover, of course. I mean, like on the body itself, like back here and on the edges where it's really glossy, you know, like right here. It'll protect it from scratches. And it does fit with the Spigen glass TR on here, so that's cool. It doesn't, you know how some cases will raise up the edges of the screen protectors? This doesn't do that. So overall, it's pretty cool. It protects the camera pretty well. Look at that. I like it. Let's see. Yeah. Cutouts for the mic, and cut out for the speakers, cut out all the way for the USB-C, cut out for speakers, or mics I mean, and cut out for the fingerprint and the volume rocker. I don't think it would affect the fingerprint too well, or too hard. Let's see. No, it doesn't affect the fingerprint at all. Yep, see? Pretty cool. Now, for spending as much as we did for this case, I'm gonna say, I don't know, it doesn't really protect it from drops like a lot of other cases. And this thing cost me 45 bucks, I believe. Let me look here, double check. It says it's a real carbon fiber case Made by Memumi, and it cost me $43.99 with tax. So I don't know, if you really want one, it's cool. They're making them for it. Just don't expect it to protect you with drops. I think that's it. Later, guys.